Welcome to Miss Bind. Can you pass this math quiz? Get ready to test your brain with fun. Before starting, please subscribe to the Miss Bind channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started. First question. What is the result of 5 plus 3? It's 8. What is the result of 12 minus 4? It's 8. What is the result of 2 into 3? It's 6. What is the result of 16 minus 4? What is the result of 9 plus 6? What is the result of 20 minus 10? What is the result of 3 into 5? What is the result of 18 divided by 3? What is the result of 7 plus 2? What is the result of 14 minus 8? It's 6. What is the result of 23 plus 17? What is the result of 45 minus 28? What is the result of 9 into 7? What is the result of 64 divided by 8? It's 8. What is the result of 32 plus 18? What is the result of 6 into 5? What is the result of 81 divided by 9? What is the result of 30 minus 12? What is the result of 14 into 2? What is the result of 100 divided by 5? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.